See, two things are here. One is what is there in front of you. Second is what will happen after May 16th. What is there in front of us is TDP-BJP alliance. I'm not surprised basically of Mr. Naidu doing a U-turn on secularism, because that is what he is. He says something and then he contradicts himself, and then he makes up all these excuses and justification is there. When it came to him leaving Congress party, he opposed NTR, then he left Congress party, joined TDP. When it came to dumping his father-in-law, he said something. When it came to United Front, he said something. When it came to dumping United Front and joining BJP, he said something. When he left BJP, he said something. Now again he's saying something that no. So Chandrababu Naidu is acting consistently on his inconsistencies. So I'm not at all surprised, but people at large will give him a befitting reply. He is living in a false world that because of all these huge heavyweights of Congress party joining him in his party, I think that his boat will sink because of so many heavyweights joining his ship. And secondly, people will not forgive him for again going back. This man publicly apologized to the people that I will never go with BJP. And I said at that time that don't believe him. So biggest problem with Mr. Naidu is his credibility. No, see, gathering crowds is, if I do a circus, people will come and watch. Bandar Nachra, Dugdugi, Bachao, that is a different thing. But will that be transferred into vote? It's a different thing. Secondly, about what will happen after May 16, well, whether let me add one more point to your question, whether Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy will stick to secular principles, whether TRS will stick to its principles. See, nowadays, to support BJP, like what magicians do, he takes out a rabbit from his hat. So politicians also to support BJP would say, I have to develop Seemandhra. I have to develop Telangana. It's a new state. I have to bring that project. So we don't want all these excuses. You stick to secularism. I hope and I wish that Jagan Mohan Reddy would be as secular as his late father. I wish and hope that TRS would stick to what it is saying now. But only time will tell. I don't know. We cannot speculate. And anything can happen on what happens after May 16th. We are going to contest. I've already announced some 9 assembly candidates yesterday from Rayalaseema.